Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can create a pie chart like this. At first, we will build this pie chart. There are some shortcut. I will show you how to create this pie chart. And after that, we'll actually create this pie chart. After that, we'll put the level, and finally we'll put the level of death, total death, and then we'll convert the death to percentage. So that's all in this video we'll see. So let's get started. But before going to the main part of this video tutorial, I will request you, if you are new to our channel or still if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. At first, open the Tableau, and then we need to create a worksheet, right? Because we are planning to create a pie chart. So at the bottom of Tableau, we'll see there are three icons. So the first one is to create worksheet. So we'll create one worksheet, and over there we'll create this pie chart. So I'm going to hit click here, and then it will create a new worksheet. After creating the worksheet, we can rename this thing. So to rename, we can right click, and then we can rename, or we can double click and we can rename shortly. So this is a pie chart, so I'm typing pie chart, and then I hit enter. So the sheet will be renamed as pie chart. Now we want to create a pie chart based on like continent and date, for example, or total cases. Anything is fine. So let's do date. So I'm selecting date from the measures, and from the dimension I'm choosing continent. Before choosing continent, I'm holding control key on my keyboard, and then I'm going to click here, and then both of them will be selected, and there are two colors. Okay, and here once we select these two, then on the right side we'll see this thing. If you don't see this type of show me bar, so what you can do, you can actually click here, it will be appeared. Okay, so once we choose these two thing all together, then in the right side W will suggest me that I can create this type of chart. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 8 types of chart I can create. Okay, but our target was to create a pie chart. So what I can do, I can just click here, and then the pie chart will be automatically imported over there. Right now it is only covered only some portion of the this page. So what we can do, we can expand it to the whole page. So what we can do, from here, from the standard view, we have to change it to enter view, and then this pie chart will be spread on the whole area. Now if we move our cursor on top of the pie chart area, it will highlight that this is Europe, the red color zone, and the total date is this much. And then each way, in this way, we can actually move our cursor and we can see. But this is not actually appropriate. I mean, not appropriate means it's not easily readable, or it's not more expressive. So we can make it more expressive. So what we can do, we can put the continent name around the pie chart. So to do this thing, we have to choose continent, and in the bar chart tutorial we saw that we can use this color, size, level, this type of thing. Okay, so what we can do, we can put level here, right? So we have to hold continent key, and we have to release on top of level, and it will show all the levels around the chart. So right now it is showing this is Europe, this is North America. In this way it is showing. Okay, now let's do one thing. So here total date is like 84,000, something like that. Okay, so we can also highlight this thing below this thing. So this is the date number, right? Total date. So here we have the date measure. Okay, so what we can do, we can this is a level, right? We want to show this date also like as level. So I'm holding date measure, and then I'm holding, and I'm releasing on top level, and the level will be there, death rate. Okay, so not death rate, this is the total death it is showing right now. Now if we want to make this pie chart more attractive, like Europe has this much, North America has this much, this is the whole pie. Suppose you think like 100%. Okay, so if you want to check the total depth of Europe is how much, like how, what is the percentage of entire pie chart. Okay, so we can also do this thing. So to do this, we cannot do anything from this dimension or measure or this thing. So that case, we need to take help from the analysis tab. So if you check in the tableau from the left to right, there are a couple of menus are there. One is analysis. So if you click here analysis, then it will expand with couple of options. So here you will see on option that is percentage of. Okay, and it is showing everything like none, table, column, something like that. Okay, so our target is to put the percentages of the entire pie chart. Okay, and the total rate. So we can go percentage of, then we can choose table. Okay, if we choose table, then it will show the total. So right now it is 100%. Okay, so the Europe total rate is like 54%, North America 31, and so on. So in this way, using Tableau, actually you can easily create a pie chart, and then you can express your data more nicely. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video.